Hey, I believe that some people do not make it because they are not tenacious. Okay, so tenacity to me means that it's the ability for you to be able to go after what you want until you get it. For example, a lot of little kids are tenacious. Hey, can I have that candy bar? Hey, can I have that candy bar? Hey, can I have that candy bar? Oh, I know you said wait for 5 minutes, but it's been 4 minutes. Can I please have the candy bar? Can I please have the candy bar? And they're constantly going after what they want. They know what they want and they stop it. But oftentimes as you're an adult and you grow up, you learn that that's not bad. At least that's, or you know that that's bad, or at least that's what society tells you. However, the people who have what they want are generally children and adults that understand that tenacity and going after what you want is what is needed for your goal. For example, what's tenacity? Making 300 videos for YouTube just so Google is going to allow you to be seen higher. Okay, but that's sometimes the steps that you have to take in order to be able to move forward. If you want to learn more about these different steps and how to actually get what you want out of life and out of your business, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below to go join my group. Have a great day, talk to you soon, and see you later.